Sophia lives in Lima, Peru.
Sophia, please help Andres do the dishes.
But, Mum, can I do it tomorrow?
It's your turn.
And then
9 o'clock. It's bedtime.
But I want to read about the Incas. Can I go online?
No, Sophia.
It's not fair.
suddenly, is it time to get up?
Oh, that's noisy. What time is it? Hurry, put on your clothes.
Aziri isn't listening. She's tidying up.
Huh? This isn't my skirt. I don't understand. What year is it? Come on.
Where's Sophia's home?
What are you doing? The llamas are hungry.
Oh, me too. When do you have breakfast? First, we feed the animals.
Then it's time to do the washing.
I'm tired. Can I stop? Do you watch TV? Watch what? No, I don't.
In the evening, Sophia and Aziri cook dinner.
You work hard. Do you play games? Yes, I do. I play games in winter.
Bedtime.
Do you go online? I need to go home. Go where? You can't go out. It's dangerous.
The next morning. It's 7 o'clock.
Oh no! I'm so tired. Are the llamas hungry? Oh, hello, Mum.
Llamas? Good morning, Sophia. Are you okay?
That evening, Sophia has dinner with her family.
Look, Sophia, your favourite.
Ah, thanks, Dad. I can do the dishes after dinner.
Wow, that's really helpful, Sophia.
Oh.